Warren, it's great to speak with you again. Now, as many would know by now, this morning Carbonxt announced formal confirmation of a joint venture agreement with its US partner, Kentucky Carbon Processing, to build a state-of-the-art manufacturing facility for activated carbon products in the US market. Now, you've dubbed this as a landmark development for the company. Can you just talk us through the market opportunity in front of the company now that the agreement has been secured?
Thanks, Alex. And yeah, absolutely. It's a terrific opportunity, and we're very glad to complete it with Kentucky Carbon Processing. So activated carbon is a major pollution control for water treatment. There's a massive market opportunity opening up in the US as a market develops for what's called PFAS, which is a carcinogenic compound that the government has asked be removed from all water sources in the US. And so there's a massive opportunity, and we're building up our capacity to reach into that market. So it's very exciting times for the company.
So along with increased production scale, the Kentucky plant is also expected to benefit from a number of regulatory tailwinds. As you mentioned, federal lawmakers are specifically targeting the PFAS pollution and improved drinking water standards across the United States. Now, as construction in Kentucky gets underway, can you just talk us through the regulatory environment that you're operating in?
Yeah, sure. I mean, at the moment, the company's known mostly for mercury capture in power stations and other industrial processes. But we also had developed pellets, and particularly we're looking at industrial pellets. This opportunity allows us now to really advance our pellet manufacturing and target these regulatory processes that I just mentioned. So the PFAS market is very, very new. The legislation's only really, or the regulation's only been tabled in the last couple of months. We're going to be one of the, if you know, we're not the first probably, but the second or so entrant into this market, and it's $1 billion new market for us that we don't currently service. So increasing our scale by upwards of 10,000 tons, which itself is probably a $40 million turnover market, is a terrific opportunity, and it's fully funded. So we're ready to go with that massive regulatory tailwind behind us.
Now, lastly, your joint venture with KCP gives the project some unique advantages in terms of CapEx spending, as you mentioned there, but also the overall construction timeline. What are the next steps now the JV has been signed?
Oh, the next steps are just to get on and complete the development and complete the conversion of what is an existing waste to energy plant. Now, the main advantage of that is there's a kiln already there that we can modify for activated carbon production. There's a turbine generator. There's buildings, and so there's a massive shortcut, if you like, to a final facility. At the same time, we've got to get that done. That's the major task for us now. But by being with the Kentucky JV partner, we've maintained, we don't run the construction costs for us. That's their responsibility. Our operating costs are locked in, and we've got a really burgeoning market that we can sell into. So it's a very exciting time to get on and just get it done. And not to underestimate that task either, because, this is something that's new and innovative, and, that's a credit to everyone involved in our team and theirs in getting this done.
Absolutely. Well, look, Warren, really appreciate you joining me today. Again, congratulations on the development, and we look forward to watching it progress in the near term. Thanks for joining me.
Thanks, Alex.